Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. So today is the third lecture from this chapter. Before starting this lecture, let's just quickly review the previous lectures. So at the very beginning, we learned about the importance of soil. So plants and animals use soil as their habitat. Plants get nutrients from soil. Animals can grow their food on soil, and we also use soil other purposes. Then uses. We use soil as agricultural purposes, building materials, art and craft, for landfills. Then we learned growth of soil fertility. We learn what is soil fertility, then fertilizer, organic fertilizer, inorganic fertilizer. Way to maintain soil fertility. There are two ways: using fertilizer and rotating crops. Then we learn about soil pollution, and then causes of soil pollution: littering garbages, using pesticide, unorganized factories waste management. Now we're going to learn about soil effects of soil pollution. So the first effect is destroying habitat. Soil pollution damages living things and their habitat. Then reducing soil productivity. Soil pollution decreases soil productivity so that plants cannot get proper nutrition. And the last, increasing diseases. Soil pollution causes diseases in both human and many other animals. So, destroying habitat, reducing soil productivity, increasing diseases are the main effects of soil pollution. Now we will going to learn prevention of soil pollution. Now, the first prevention that we can take this kind of separate bin. In one we can put the organic wastes, and in number two or in the other bin we can put the plastic materials or waste that we are not going to use, so that we can separate the wastes. Now we also should recycle our product. We should reuse or recycle something that we can use furthermore. For example, I make this indicator by a page graph paper, and these materials or this paper are not useful for me, so I just made this. And the last one is we should use organic fertilizer for our farm or our crop field. We should use organic fertilizer such as compost in the crop field. So this all the prevention was waste management, second recycling product, and the third is using organic fertilizer. Now, so conservation of soil. Protection of soil from erosion or the maintenance of soil fertility is called soil conservation. Now, what is soil erosion? Soil erosion mainly the washing or blowing away by wind or water of the top of the layer of soil is called soil erosion. I repeat, the washing or blowing away by wind or water of the top layer of soil is called soil erosion. Now, how we can prevent soil erosion? Mainly, plants play an important role in preventing soil erosion by their roots. Look, this is aloe vera plant. So this aloe vera plant just attach the soil or rooted by the soil, attach with the soil by their roots. So by this way, they prevent soil erosion. So we can prevent soil erosion by planting trees or growing grasses on our land. So let's sum up the whole lecture. The first thing we learned, the effects of soil pollution. destroying habitat, reducing soil productivity, increasing diseases. Then we learn prevention of soil pollution, waste management, recycling product, and using organic fertilizer. Then we learn conservation of soil, soil erosion, and way to prevent soil erosion. So that's all for today's lecture. I hope this will help you to understand the whole chapter. Thank you so much.